Hello friends, I am Padmaja Ghadge from Tata Vidyalay Bhira. In this video, I am explaining topic from Kumar Bharti Standard 9th, that is Unit 3.2 Reading Works of Art. In this reading works of art, there are two arts explained, Gonda art and Sayyid Haider Raza. In this video, I am explaining a warming up activity of reading works of art as well as a Sayyid Haider Raza. So what is the learning outcome of this topic? So these extract give information of well-known Indian artist Sayyid Haider Raza. He was honored with 3 Padma Awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Let's see in the chapter. So let's start first a warming up activity of 3.2. First one, complete the following items using the appropriate color term. In the bracket, colors are given, see, blue, black, green and red. So items related to color we have to use in there. Okay. So first one is give someone a dash look. In the bracket, meaning is given a look of anger or dislike, etc. So blue color, black color, green color, red color. So which color is suitable or give meanings of that in the bracket given a look of anger or dislike. So red. Okay, give someone a red look means a look of anger. Okay, so that's why here come a red. The dash sheep of the family, a person who brings disgrace to the family. Black means people. Black, when we use the black color, when there is some disgrace, okay, disgraceful incident here, that time we use a black money, black sheep, like this way. Okay. A dash list, a list of defaulters, when anyone comes in defaulter, that means that time we use a blackmailing, like this way, black list, a black list. A dash belt, area of fields, woods, etc. around a city, means a grain. To have dash fingers means be a good at gardening, that is grain. Be dash with NY. NY means feel very jealous, that is green. Give someone or get the dash signal means get permission to do something. Okay, we see that green signal. If we get the green signal, then we start our bike or anything. Okay, that is green. A bolt from the dash, a sudden shock or surprise. So here comes a blue. Okay, next thing, out of the dash, suddenly or unexpectedly, that is blue. Once in a dash moon, very rarely, that means blue. Vanish into the dash, live without any trace, that is blue. Dash-eyed boy, favorite person, that is blue. Catch someone dash-handed, catch someone in the act of doing something wrong, that is red-handed. Roll out the dash carpet, give a special welcome, that is red. A dash herring, something that diverts attention from the main issue, that is red herring. See dash, become angry means red, see red. Okay, so next question, see, what are you reminded of when you think of the following colors? When we think about these colors, what do you remind? So first one color is fruit, that is orange color. So orange color, what we remind? That is oranges means fruits. Next is pink color. Pink colors, what we remind? Lotus, flowers, etc. Okay. Yellow color, what we remind? When we see anywhere a yellow color, what we remind? That is sunflower, right? White color, when we see everywhere white, we remind a peace. Okay. And purple color, when we see a purple color, that time we remind toys. Purple color also stand as a royalty, right? Okay. So here we have completed warming up activity. Let's start our text, that is reading works of art, and that is first part of that, Sayyid Haider Raza. Okay. Let's see in the text. Sayyid Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes. See, Sayyid Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, means Sayyid Haider Raza His full name, but popularly he is known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Renowned means well known, a well known Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions. These are some of the characteristic features of his paintings. So he is a painter or he is an artist. Okay, so what is the characteristic features of his compositions or his artist? That is simple geometric shapes, striking color combination, and captivating compositions. Captivating means capable to hold interest, means his whole interest, whatever he is doing, that is whole with a full interest in. These are some of the characteristic features of his painting, and so are the colors blue and orange. And one more characteristic feature of his painting, that is colors generally he uses, that is blue and orange. Okay, you will find them in almost all the paintings. None of his paintings depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. Means his whole paintings we let's see in his whole paintings what we see. Whole painting is full of two colors, both colors blue and orange, as well as whole painting is, we found that we see in his paintings that only the shapes are there, right? Not any environment or any scenes in his painting. His paintings belongs to the abstract style of painting. Abstract style of painting means, abstract means art that does not show the reality but seeks to achieve its effect using the shapes and colors. See, in his paintings we see it looks real. It looks real by using only shapes and lines. Okay, geometric figures. Okay. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. See, if well-known any artist, when he enters, he means take a interest, his whole interest and whole inner mind, whatever he has given his whole interest, that depicts on his paintings or arts. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint, attractive color combinations, achieving balance in some place and creating imbalance in other places. Whenever we see his painting, that time we understand how he has used his own technique. Okay. Next, Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and its heritage, cultural context and philosophy. So Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art. Means here we understand that he is also used a culture Indian art as well as Indian its heritage culture. Okay, his pictures seem to radiate peace and life at the same time. Radiate means giving out. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raja's do. See, whenever we see anyone's paintings, that time every painting that viewers like, no. But Raja's paintings always known, means viewers are always seeing his paintings. Raza was born, now here the information of Raza. Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from the age of 12. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at the JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Later he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. See, from the age of 12, his whole journey has explained in this passage. Exam. Okay. He was honored with all the three Padma awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. With all the awards and honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual metaphysical path. Metaphysical path means a branch of philosophy exploring the fundamental nature of reality. Means that looking a reality, real. like this way. Gradually, the bindu or point came to be the core of his paintings. See here in this one picture as shown there. See, bindu or one point came to be the core of his painting. He described his work in these words: my work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light. See, about his work, about his art, what he explained himself: my work is my own inner experience. Means his work, Raza's work is depends upon his own experience. What he depicts: his own inner experience, his involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light. Sometimes an artist's thoughts appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through words. Most of the times when we visit, when we see any artist thought, that time that are very complicated, and someone only express about his words. But for him, the effective medium of communication is his work, his paintings. Means for him, for Raza, in point of view, according to Raza, effective medium of communication is his work, that is his paintings. Raza had great creativity. His paintings are very expressive. This great artist passed away on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94, leaving behind a legacy of sensitive paintings. Sensitive painting achieved through extraordinary compositions of lines and colors that depicts extraordinary composition. Extraordinary means that was unique paintings. Whatever he has given to the world, that are the extraordinary paintings or extraordinary or unique paintings he has given. So here I have completed Sayyid Haider Raza. Sayyid Raza, a great renowned Indian artist. What we learn from this lesson? What we learn from this lesson? This lesson gave us a brief information about Sayyid Haider Raza. The author tells about his unique style of captivating style of Raza. Means his unique style because of, and also what the message we take from this lesson. This lesson, any artist, when he involves himself, his own experience, his inner mind involvement, his own involvement depicts on his art. Okay, that is the message given to every art from this Sayyid Haider Raza. Okay, so I hope after watching this video, you will definitely understand this reading works of art Sayyid Haider Raza. Okay, thank you.